In Assembly on Thursday, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane announced the need for an additional 20 ambulances to revamp the current fleet of 108 ambulances. This statement came in response to a question from Kuttorim MLA Alex Reginaldo, who raised concerns about delays in ambulance response times.
आज 108 एसो जाल्या की 108क चड टायम लागला. आता I want to know from the minister, 108 तुका how long does it generally take for a patient to reach घरा कोसा पिकअप करून हॉस्पिटलान पावपाक एक कितू वगत लागतलो? यू गिव मी वन एप्रॉक्सिमेशन.
एम्ब्युलन्सीस ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी आमी 4-5 वर्सां नंतर आमकां चेंज करपाक जाय. मुख्यमंत्री कडेन हांवें सांगल्या प्रमाणे डिमांड्साच्या वेळार आमी बसून हे रिफर्बिश करून एक्झॅक्टली वेगळे तरेन आमी कशें आमी फुडें व्हरपाक जाय हेजेर आमचें काम चल्लां. पूण तो जे सांगता तेजे स्पेसिफिकली ताका सगळें खबर आहा. तो ताका 108 कशी चलता, कितें चलता, केन्ना केन्ना तेंचेर प्रेशर इतलो आसता की केन्ना केन्ना मातसो वेळ लागू येत.
तो म्हणटा कांय कंप्लेन नाही म्हणटा 108ची.
कंप्लेन स्पीकर सर, कंप्लेन म्हणजे कितें स्पीकर सर? कंप्लेन हांवें जर आतां उत्तर एसेंब्लीचेर जर दिल्यार कंप्लेन बरयल्या हांगा 23 कंप्लेन. हांव म्हणना तशें 23 कंप्लेन म्हणून तूं म्हणटलो तें डिबेटेबल आहा म्हणून 23 कंप्लेन आयल्या म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, हे कंप्लेन कशें आसता, केन्ना केन्ना लोक कोण रेजिस्टर करिना, केन्ना लोक रेजिस्टर करतात कंप्लेन्स, पण केन्ना वेळ लागता. डबल एमर्जन्सीज एका परिसरांत जाल्या उपरांत मागीर एम्ब्युलन्स सगळे कडेन धांवपळ एम्ब्युलन्साचीच आसता. लोड हेंचेर भरपूर आहा. आमचे कडेन आयजचे दिसा स्पीकर सर गेल्यार 50 एडवान्स लायफ सेविंग, गोंया एकूच राज्य आसा स्पीकर सर जे एडवान्स लायफ सेविंग सिस्टम्स आमी चलयता. म्हणजे सगळे इक्विप्ड आमचे एम्ब्युलन्सीस आसात. तरी बी तेंचो आतां तेंचें वय जाल्लें आसा. हे फ्लीट बदलपाची गरज आहा आनी आमकां आनी एक 20 एम्ब्युलन्सीस वाडोवपाची गरज आहा. पयर मुख्यमंत्री आहा, श्रीपाद नायक जी आहा, सगळ्यांनी आमकां एडिशनल एम्ब्युलन्सीस दिल्ले आसा. ते आमी हे करता. तेज्या भायर आमी बॅकअप एम्ब्युलन्सीस 4 दवरल्या. 5 कार्डियक एम्ब्युलन्स आमचे आसा, 4 न्यूनॅटल एम्ब्युलन्स आसा, 2 नवे हाडल्या, 5 हर्सवॅन आसा. ते हर्सवॅन वाडोवपाची गरज आहा आनी एक बायक एम्ब्युलन्सीस फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर 35 आसा स्पीकर सर.
Madgaon MLA has urgently called for the establishment of cardiology, neurology, and orthopedic services in South Goa, demanding that these critical medical facilities be operational within the next 6 months. The MLA emphasized the pressing need for these specialized services to address the growing healthcare demands in the region and improve access to essential treatments for local residents.
6 वाजता लोक येतात वॉक करायला. पंचायतींचे लोक 6 वाजता वॉक करायला येतात, खेळायला येतात. एक पुष्कळ लोक जाताना चहा पिऊन जातात किंवा जाताना भाजी वगैरे घेऊन जातात. म्हणून मी त्यांना सांगितलं नंतर गिराईक कमी होतं. सकाळी आणि संध्याकाळी 2 वेळेला गर्दी असते. चालायला पण गर्दी असते, खेळायला पण गर्दी. दॅट इज द टाइम. म्हणजे लोकांना लागतं काहीतरी मिळालं.
आणि कला अकादमीचं जर विषय टेंडरचे 5 कोटी अजून पोहोचलेच नाहीत हा एक विषय
मला माहिती नाही.
Minister Maureen Goodinho has announced that electric buses will be delivered to Goa by 2025, aiming to boost the state's public transportation system. In response to ongoing concerns about the shortage of buses, Goodinho acknowledged the current inadequacies and outlined the upcoming introduction of EV buses as a step towards modernizing and expanding the state's transport infrastructure.
As far as buses are concerned, it is a known fact that there are less number of buses available. 15-year-old buses, as per central directives, have to be scrapped. तितल्योच बसी उण्यो जाल्यो, रुटार तितल्यो बसी आमकां काडच्यो पडल्यो. आतां आमी हें कशें कवर अप करता आनी आमकां कित्याक शॉर्टफॉल येता? जे आमकां इलेक्ट्रिकल बसीज येवपा जाय आशिल्ल्यो फ्रॉम Olectra, that company which has given us EV buses, have not come. They have not been able to deliver in time, and they have now given a new schedule that they will complete the delivering of the remainder of the buses by January 2025, which also I don't have much faith in them. In fact, I have just cleared a file to write to the center about that company, because they should also know that Goa has this problem. But more important than this, at the initiative of the Chief Secretary of Goa, Mr. Puneet Goyal, IIT alumni, त्यांचे under CSR they do a lot of work. They have agreed to give us around 500 buses for free, but they will how to run it, how it is to be operated, how the special purpose vehicle is to be formed, all that is being done at the moment. Once formalities are completed, at least if not the coming cabinet, in a week's time, whichever cabinet meeting we have, it will be cleared. Then once that is cleared, we will, after following the due process, we will see to it that this fructifies and Goa gets the 500 buses which are going to be gifted to us by this particular IIT alumni. And we are very grateful to them that they thought about Goa. This is going to be the game changer. आमकां जाय तितले बसीस मेळटल्यो हे हांवें काल स्पश्टपणे असेंब्लीन सांगलां तुमकां कोणा तरी.
सर, वन मोर थिंग इज दॅट काल पंचायतीचो विशय खूब येयलो. तो विजय जावं, तो राजेश फळदेसाय जावं, एलिगेशनां, गार्बेजाचो इशू, all those issues. So what action? So what would be you taking action? Sir?
See, I think there were not many issues. If you look at the last session and this session, there were less issues. That means issues are getting solved. Garbage handle korpa, there are certain practical problems. That's why what I have very clearly said. Even that file, incidentally, I have cleared just now. We are empanelling a list of contractors who handle garbage, professional ones, in consultation with Goa Waste Management Corporation, in consultation with Goa Pollution Control Board. Once they are empaneled, the choice to choose the contractor will lie with the panchayat concerned. Tumka umko contractors hai. Apart from this, if they are handling garbage well, there are some panchayats which are handling garbage well. Already they have got contractors on board. त्यांचे व्यवस्थितपणे चलता. आम्ही त्यांका डिस्टर्ब करपा ना.
पण राजेश
फळदेसाचे दुसरो एक विषय आशिल्लो. कोण एकटो थिंगा पंचायत मेंबरूच आसा तो काडून गार्बेज उदकान उडयता म्हणून आनी तेणे स्वताचे क्लीन केला. तेणे आमकां म्हणजे क्लियरली आमकां हेंय दाखयलें म्हणजे पिक्चर्स ऑफ दॅट एंड व्हिडिओ एंड ऑल दॅट. As per the rules, whatever action is to be taken, we'll take the action. I immediately gave it to the Director Panchayat for necessary action.